right. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
It's
P. Patricia.
M. Mariah. She's flipped around on me. My brain is like exploding. You've messed me up.
Oh, well.
Anyway. All right.
No big deal.
You know, here we are, a year and a half later. Still working on it.
I'm still working on my second cup of coffee.
We do know who we are.
Well, most of the time. I just don't know where I am.
All right, and so you're not going to see our faces because we already did that yesterday.
And we only get gussied up once a week.
Once a week, so hands only. We're very excited because we have received some really cool happy mail / we won a giveaway. Woohoo! We never win anything, so that was really exciting.
It was very exciting. The only thing I've ever won is a blanket at bingo once. And that was like years ago.
So I'm going to kind of scoot this is all the stuff that we're going to be showing today, but we'll talk about the little giveaway deal first, and then we can show all the cool happy mail things. So this is what we won from the, let's see, Debbie, who is on the creative team for Seth Apter, and we just joined that group, which was also kind of exciting. And so she was doing a giveaway with a little bit of a photo challenge, and I submitted.
Do we have that?
Because it really is one of our best ones. It's over there.
I'll fetch it.
But it was the photo that won. I can pop that in. I'll just pop it in on the video. I'll just put like right over here in the video. And so I submitted that one, and we won, which is crazy. I mean, but yeah, it was from this little, but it was an outside one, and it was this cool little, what P calls, you know, those weird side views that I say are good on Instagram.
So just give me a straight on. Please.
Yeah, anyway, so yeah, that was the one that won us that, and we did actually use these in our live yesterday, which was pretty exciting. Warning, man, these have some overspray, and they are one of those little gifts that keep on giving. So you will want to seal this, and then also know that once you seal it, it will also do some things. So we love it. Just some warning.
Yeah, FYI.
Yeah. But I think these are older. I think they're newer kinds that are out. Because I didn't see these colors on Seth's website.
Which we're really excited about getting those, because those are my colors.
Yeah.
I love those.
Yeah, this green is out of the world awesome, but I didn't see it on the website. Anyway, so we're just very excited. We won some cool things, little die cut moon and sun and moon kind of thing, and then she threw this in, which I thought was wonderful because I keep these sorts of things. Well, only this type of people would understand like how cool this is. It'd be like, why are you so excited?
Very excited about that.
Some awesome stamps, and you can see that P has already used them a little bit, and then I'm pretty pumped. This means I have to go and find the heat gun that I have, stored away. But I will. Etched platinum with this cool, did you see this? Mixed media embossing brush. I need to look that up.
I saw that, and
I'm assuming it goes with the etched stuff. Oh yeah, here. So all of this was used, well, not all of this, but all of those and the stamps were used to make that. So that's cool, right?
Here, look at this.
Oh, see, here, she's going off.
I'm going crazy on you.
She's going crazy on me, but look at that. That's so cool. All right, look at that.
And that was just a happy happening.
Yeah. And then it came, okay, well, and it came in this really cool. I love it.
We're going to design a journal just for this.
Yeah, it gave us inspiration in itself to fit this, like something about, what were you saying?
Well, your first responders,
and
your EMTs, your medical.
Yeah, like a cool little photo gallery type journal thing. I'm envisioning, pulling out with an
and
accordion.
I want everybody's going to be sepia, and it's going to look old so it matches the tin.
Right. Well,
maybe even do some photo transfers on my gel plate.
I think what would be cool is doing a if we did it in the same colors. So
the navies and the kind of
right. So I could just turn it duotone. The pictures.
Oh.
Duotone.
Well, does that mean they're kind of sepia colored, kind of browny?
No, that means that they are red and blue.
No.
Oh, see, here we go. All right, well, stay tuned to find out if we go sepia or if I win. Probably I won't. Let's just be real. Okay, so that's some super duper fun stuff. Thank you, Debi Adams, for that giveaway, and she's been super sweet, and hopefully
Thank you very much. I'm most appreciative.
Hey, she said she wanted to get together and do some arty stuff, so who knows? I swear, I'm going to put together some kind of Zoom art something or other. All right, I'm going to put that off to the side. Put your cards over there. She brought the whole board. I'm not even going to show that. Okay, so then another... I swear, it's so funny. In the Facebook groups, I'm always like, ooh, that is really cool. What are you going to do with that? Or, oh, so this one lady is like, oh my gosh, I have this whole pile of... And that's Jenn. Jennifer. I don't know if she's cool with me saying who she is, so I'm just not going to. But from one of the Facebook groups, she popped in there and had this pile of ribbons and things. And she's like, I don't know what to do with all this. And I said, well, you could send some in Happy Mail. And she's like, okay, great. Send me your information. And sure enough, it arrived, and we are so excited. Now, there are some things that are already missing because it was rainbow. And if it's rainbow, then, I mean, it automatically just goes to a little girl named Izzy. So,
she's carrying her around with her.
Yeah, like, I picked it up. She says, hey, that's my rainbow fabric. So, sure enough, I did actually steal a little piece back from her. Sure, if she sees this,
I'm sure.
Yeah, she'll be real upset that I, took the little piece. But look at all this wonderfulness.
Oh, I was...
I mean, we were just over the moon about this. I keep saying that, and I've been saying that even in posts. You're like, I'm just over the moon. I really am. I'm over the moon about all this. We're just very excited. This is the type of stuff that we love because it's small. And we usually, even our journals are small and our tags are small. This is perfect stuff for us as far as like just...
And for tags.
Oh, yeah. I mean, some of this stuff is going to be so cool together. Ooh, look at that. Even that little bit there.
I know.
Ooh. See, I'd glue that down there. But, oh, it's stretching. It's elastic.
Well, I might use that for a belly band.
Yeah, like strap it around there. I mean, see, look at that.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, and see, little pieces, just perfect. Now I'd burn the edges with the lighter, but it's now some of it wants to stay with me. And then we're very excited about the little lace pieces because we may even, who knows, that could end up in a paper set because we do those sorts of things. But I mean, look, just awesome stuff. So thank you, Jenn, for feeding into our crazy and sending us a whole scrap of. Or a bag of scraps.
And
I just
holler at
love
us
it.
if you'd like one of my journal cards.
I did send her a paper set, and she seemed to be pretty excited about that. And she said that if we would like more, she has more. I said we're good for now. It'll take us a little bit to get through this. We only do have a certain amount of...
But if you do have anything that is like just super fantastic, awesome, little tiny bit.
Yeah, you can't be choosy, lady. But yes, Jenn, if you're watching, I'll let you know that this video exists. Okay, so that was fun scraps from Jenn. Now, for those of you that watch and kind of hang out with us, if you saw that we had sent a stuffed pocket over to Lisa at Sirius Heka, that's her channel, she then in return was like, well, I'll send you something. I said, you really don't have to. I mean, she was so sweet and everything, but... And
I have plans.
So... She is the one that makes, and this stuff does not stay in her shop. Like, it goes quick.
Yeah, so if you see it, you need to grab it.
Yes. And it is this dyed waxed paper. So she's like, do you want the scraps? This is the scraps. We will take anybody's scraps. We should just, like, start a, hashtag PM, we'll take your scraps. Because we love that. Because this is kind of how we
work. We'll give you a little airtime.
Yeah, well, yeah, we'd share the love for sure and tell you that, this is where it came from.
Oh, I have such plans for this.
This stuff is amazing. And it smells lovely, too.
It does. Whatever that's...
Now, she irons these out, so I'm kind of wondering if she does a little something with when she irons them.
Oh.
Yeah. And they change color when she irons them.
Oh. Well, I love the variations of the color. I mean, it's just...
Amazing.
Absolutely.
And I mean, really, like, our top colored, like, over here, and this is Cloudy Seaside. Then we got the purple papers, and and then you've got like Batik Sepia. I mean, that's our, that's who we are in 3 colors.
I love that, and look how fabulous this looks together.
I know. And so yeah, she sent us a few of her. I think these are actual eco dyed.
They smell good too.
Yeah, we're smelly people. I mean, we like to smell things. Although sometimes we are smelly people.
That is really, I do love that.
So that's our little video for today. Happy mail.
Look how good that
Oh man, that does look good. All right, so stay tuned. You might see some of this with some of that, and all of this there and that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned this week. I mean, we'll be doing our live on Saturday. This coming Saturday. Anyway, show us some love by liking this video, commenting below. Those are the things that help us the most. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. We will be doing all kinds of things like this throughout the week, along with then our live Saturday scheduled weekly.
And go check Lisa.
Check Lisa out for sure. She makes amazing journals. She sells them. I don't know how she can part with them. I even had a little bit, I was slightly attached to the one that she put the stuff. But somebody had already purchased it. I was actually going to inquire. But then
it was gone.
it was gone. So it's like,
you
okay.
need to act on these things.
Yeah, really. Okay. Bye.
Bye.